You're watching hours and hours of YouTube content trying to stay on top of trends and everything. But how do you know if a long video is actually worth your time? I'm going to show you what I do. What's up, guys? What we're going to do today is we're going to take one of these videos and we're going to transcribe it, and then we're going to take that transcript, run through ChatGPT or Claude, and have it summarize the content for us, tell us if there's valuable information there, or if it's mainly just a sales pitch towards a product. And then you can decide whether or not it's worth your time to watch that video. I'm a big fan of Make Money Man. He's got some really good content, but sometimes it can be a little salesy. I mean, I get it. Everyone's got to sell a product, right? But here's this new video from 16 hours ago, 30 minutes, 29 minutes. So that's a long video. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on
biggest opportunities right now.
Capture the URL up here, and then we're going to come to a YouTube transcription, a YouTube transcript service. So this is youtube-to-transcript.com. As far as I can tell, it's a free service. So just paste the URL and get free transcript. And verify that you're a human. And there you go. It will transcribe the entire 30-minute video. And I mean, you can even see that it got the whole thing, because at the end we got thanks for watching, see you in the next one. So, you know, it is the entire transcript. Some of these services will only transcribe like the first couple minutes. This one is probably the whole video. So we go copy, okay, copied, and then okay, I've been using Claude lately and really enjoying it. Okay, so we're going to copy that whole pasted, and then we're going to give it a simple prompt, something like summarize this YouTube video for me. Is there good content here, or is it mainly a sales funnel? Whatever prompt you want to put in. And go. And just like that, Claude reads the entire thing and says both, honestly, but there's real content mixed with a sales pitch. Of course, I mean, like I said, every YouTuber's got to sell something. I'm not against selling things on YouTube. All right, so legitimate insight. This video makes solid points about YouTube's current landscape. The flywheel concept of sound creates shorter videos that funnel viewers to a long form video where conversion to an offer is much easier. Then if this is too much for you, you can just say kind of bullet point. And then it'll give you bullets of the takeaways from the video. The idea is not to take you away from YouTube. I watch a lot of these videos, but at some point there is so much content. I need to know what is really worth my time to watch. And sometimes some of these videos can be a little clickbaity. Sometimes the video is offering a little less than what the title and the thumbnail promised. So by using this, I can summarize it. And actually, I kind of like this content. I'll probably go back and watch that video. And then especially if this is a new creator that you're finding, I can have ChatGPT or Claude kind of vet the content before I dive into it and give it my time, my valuable time. And if the content is like, no, you know what, this person is not actually offering me anything, then I move on and I don't subscribe to that person. And then obviously if there is good content, then you watch the video, and then moving on, you're subscribed to that person and you trust their content. So you start watching their videos. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Check out a lot of other stuff, other videos on the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We will see you in the next one. Cheers.